Hey you good looking people, so we're here in Blackheath today and we're doing the walk from Govetts Leap to Evans Lookout. I was going to do the walk from Brayside to Govetts Leap, but that's currently closed due to trail maintenance along the fire trail. I checked, did not see that mentioned, so we're making alternate plans. Anyways, let's go check it out and see what you all think. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, and let's get going. This bench is an 8 out of 10. You should check out this view. This is a much needed bench after an arduous section of stairs. I'm glad they provide these along the track. You know, for far less fit people. Not myself, obviously. That was the walk from Govetts Leap to Evans Lookout, which is just behind me. As you can see, it was a fairly easy walk with beautiful mountain views just over your shoulder to keep you company all along the way. It's a there and back, so I'm not going to film the way back because it's more of the same stuff which you've seen. Anyways, you should definitely check it out for yourself. First section is pretty exposed, so bring lots of water. Anyways, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one.